It is game on back at the Stan Sheriff Center. Hawaii taking on San Diego State a little bit later on, but it's time now for our Timeout for Health segment presented by Straub. And joining us here courtside is Dr. Justin Young, a doctor of primary care and sports medicine. And welcome to our cozy corner here, doctor.
Thank you so much for having me tonight. Really excited to be here.
Absolutely. You know, I guess the first thing is, since we're at a sporting event and you deal with sports medicine, what is the most common sports injury that you see?
Sure, that's a great question. I think for our college athletes here, overuse injuries, mainly of the knee and the shoulder. Those are some things we commonly see here.
For women's volleyball, is there something that you see more often with women in court sports than you would in other sports?
Sports, a lot of times with tendinitis with either the knee or the shoulder, definitely due to the demands of their sport, having to do with their shoulders and their hitting arms. They come in with achy joints a lot of the time.
And, you know, is there anything that people can do to prevent any sort of injuries? Because I think prevention is one thing so that they maybe won't have to see you.
That's always great when they don't have to see us. But yeah, that is a great question. I think that for the shoulders, warming up, making sure they follow the protocols and doing good things with that. And if it does get sore, really letting their athletic trainers know or us know so we can take a look early at the shoulders or knees.
How about just like the weekend warrior, the guy literally sitting on his couch right now watching the game that goes out and swims or jogs a couple of times a week? How do you prevent injuries? Particularly, I notice as you get older, you get sore.
Yeah, for our weekend warriors, we definitely see a lot of those in clinic too. And I think not overdoing it for one, getting into shape and kind of warming up and getting into your play, that'd be a good tip from my side.
Are you by chance working with Nikki Taylor at all with her injury, with her elbow injury?
Yeah, we see all the athletes here in training room.
You see all of them.
So you're trying to find an inside scoop maybe?
Yeah.
You have any insight on Nikki and how well she's progressing?
Oh, I'm not sure on that one. I'm not allowed to comment.
We tried.
Yeah.
What do you enjoy working with the athletes most? What do you like about it?
Oh, I just love working with bright, young personalities who just have so much potential. They're so enthusiastic with their sport, and I think working with them is just a dream, seeing how they progress, and they really have the determination to come back from anything that we throw at them.
Well, Doctor, thank you so much for joining us here in the corner. Appreciate it, and keep up the good work.
Thank you so much for having me tonight. It was a pleasure to be here.
Dr. Justin Young from Straub. When we come back, we'll get a preview of tonight's opponent, the Aztecs of San Diego State.